Hark at the wind.
Check.
Well, isn't that the foulest thing?
Mate.
It's the worst of living so far out here.
Oh, a shame. Maybe you'll get him next time. You should get that.
Ah. This is Major Morris, the one I've been telling you about. So, Morris, what's this monkey's paw you tell me about?
Nothing much.
A monkey's paw?
Just magic.
What's so special about it?
Well, it had a little bit of a curse put on it by a religious man. It gives a man 3 wishes. So far there's been 2 men out of the 3. I've already had my 3 wishes.
What do you plan to do with it?
The wish for something reasonable. Why not £200 to pay off the house?
Alright, I guess I'll give it a try. I wish for £200.
Why did you drop it?
It moved in my hand.
There's no sense left in you.
Did it work?
I don't see any money.
Don't open the £200 without me. Now remember, they'll be knocking on the door soon.
There's a well-dressed man. Maybe he's here with our £200. Come in.
Hello, I'm here to talk about your son.
Did he get hurt?
He got hurt, but he's not in any pain.
Oh,
What?
But we're willing to give you a paycheck.
What? No.
How
What happened?
much?
He got caught in the machinery.
How
much?
£200.
I just thought of it. I thought of it. The monkey's paw. Wish my son back.
Okay.
Go get it. Fetch it quickly.
I wish for Herbert to be alive again.
Herbert? That's my son, Herbert. I forgot to walk. It's so far away. That's my son.
I wish for it to be gone.